We're bad vloggers. After we went to the Hua shop, we walked around downtown a little bit. We got some ice cream. I got Hokey Pokey.
Yeah, I had to go get a tube for some posters I bought.
And I spent too much money on jewelry, but oh no, I'm on vacation.
And then we both met up and went over to get ice cream, and they were cash only.
Yeah, after I specifically had spent every penny I had of cash, except for $1 Australian that I somehow ended up with that they wouldn't take. But yeah, it was good ice cream. It's a cute little downtown, but we already knew that. Well, I already knew that. Phil said he liked it more than he thought. So now we are off to Black Sand Beach and Oahu Point for photos. This is like a few minutes later from the last video I made. It's like a torrential giant gobby downpour.
I'm leaving Haley at the Oahu Point because I really have to pee. I'm going to just run down to Bins and go pee real quick and then come back for her. Bins food. Surprised Haley with some chips. She said she wanted chips, so get her some chips. Bins. Bins. Very cute inside. Very cute. Very pretty. Also, Haley's like past that corner. I wonder if those people asked. They like walked right away, in and out. So, yeah. Interesting. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Here's the chips. Got Haley. This car right over there because I parked by the bathroom. Not thinking I'd get chips. But yeah, I'm gonna go take her some chips. Fred's made it here safe and sound, but where's my wife? Huh. Time to go investigate.
Alright, so obvious complication has occurred. It is pouring rain. These are the seals at Oahu Point. Thankfully, before it got super rainy, I was able to go out and get some really nice footage, which I will insert. But in order to go out and get more and to use my big lens, we would have to go out in this awful, awful weather. And like, it keeps stopping for like a second, just long enough to let you get out of the door, and then pouring down on you. So I think what we're gonna do is check into the hotel.
Okay.
And then just try to wait out the rain and see
What comes out the other side?
This is only 20 minutes from our hotel. So, and we've got a bunch of packing to do. But here's some cute seal footage that isn't sad Haley about the trip. Also, thanks Phil for the chips from Nin's Bins. They were delicious.
I was gonna try to record your reaction and stuff, but turns out it was just raining.
Yeah, it was pouring rain. I'm wearing a white shirt, and I was trying to protect my camera. Well, Vloggy, I got some bad news. We forgot you in the room. Phil and I went out. I went to New World and picked up a bunch of snacks to bring home. Phil went to the laundromat and washed our flight outfit so that we wouldn't be wearing it for really 5 days straight, which is a lot for jeans. Then we had reservations for the Pier Hotel for their outdoor seating. However, everything is wet, like uncomfortably wet. So we went to the Pier Hotel, we canceled our reservation. They said they had a waiting list and that we had made someone's night, but they understood why we were canceling. They were very sweet about it. So we went back to Cooper's Catch. That's the place that we got the chips at that we were eating right at the Kaikoura Sea Colony yesterday. And we're gonna eat on our beautiful balcony because, you know what, we paid for this view. It's essentially the same view as the Pier Hotel, only we get to eat comfortably and without shoes on and zero COVID risk. So, I mean, not mad. I'll show the food when Phil's done unwrapping it. Jesus Christ, remind me never to let Phil order the food again.
I told you I have a problem.
When I said go wild, I didn't realize he was ordering for 8 people. Well, we're gonna make ourselves sick immediately before a 14-hour flight.